Okay, so I promised the percentage of sales method would be quick and fairly simple, and it is. So this is your formula: current period sales, and then the problem would give you a percentage of estimated sales that won't credit sales that won't be collected. And you multiply one times the other, and you get your bad debt expense. The only other thing to do is to journalize that expense. So here's an example. Musicland has credit sales of $400,000. It's estimated that 0.6% of credit sales will eventually prove to be uncollectible. All right. Now we don't know when they'll prove to be uncollectible, but we do know that they relate to 2015 sales. So we want to record this entry in 2015 at the period end. It's a period end adjusting entry. All right. So we 400,000 0.6% works out to $2,400, and your journal entry, bad debt expense, right, which is an expense. It lowers net income, and then the allowance for doubtful accounts. Now that allowance account is a contra asset account. So there's that word again. Contra means opposite. So it's an asset account related to accounts receivable, but it has a normal credit balance. And for balance sheet purposes, the allowance would be subtracted from the account receivable. In other words, if there's $400,000 of accounts receivable, right, and an allowance of $2,400, then we would subtract $2,400 from the $400,000 for balance sheet purposes, and your net accounts receivable would be $397,600. All right.